Hello friends, Joel here, the Benevolent Baker. Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate pecan braid. Something so delicious but yet so easy to make. Let's get to it. To start, we're going to use store-bought puff pastry. They actually work really well. They're actually really nice to work with. You want to lightly flour your surface. And we're going to use both sheets that come in the package, and we're going to go ahead and roll it out. And you want probably about 11 by 11. You don't want it too thin. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to get as square as possible. Okay. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay. I like to use my little pizza cutter. We're gonna need 4 pieces, so I'm gonna go right in the center and cut the first one. Gonna eyeball it, and then you're gonna do it again right in the center the other way, just like that. And we're gonna set them aside, just like so. Okay, to form the braids now, we are going to use chocolate spread, using Nutella. And I actually put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. I don't want it hot, I don't want it warm. I just want to get it soft enough for it to be able to spread really easily on the dough. So I put it in there for 15 seconds. I mixed it well, let it set, and now I have this nice little soft consistency. That's a half a cup. And then here I have a half a cup of chopped pecans. I put it on my Ninja. You can do it by hand, or I put mine in my Ninja and just zapped it a couple times until I got little crumbs like this. So this is also a half a cup. Okay, so simple. We're gonna grab about a spoon, and I like to start right in the center, and then I spread it to the edges, just like so. Try to get it covered as much as possible. Go. And now I'm going to grab about a spoon roughly, and then I'm going to just kind of sprinkle it all the way and cover the whole entire chocolate area, just like so. So now we're going to roll it, and when you roll it, you want it as tightly as possible. So start one edge, kind of just slowly just fold it in, just like so. And you're just gonna go like that. There you go. Just like that. Okay, let's finish the rest. All right, so I got them all rolled. Now we're going to just slide them in the middle and then form the braid. Before I do that, I'm a little picky. You don't have to do this, but I kind of like to cut the edges because it just makes it look cleaner. That's a me thing. You don't have to. And I kind of want them to be nice and even, so they look uniform. Okay, so I got the last one. So now they're all ready to be sliced in the middle. And the way I do that, so before that, I actually gently just press them down, just like that. Kind of made them just a little flatter. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go about an inch away from the edge from one side, and then I'm going to just cut right in the middle, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to do it this way so that way you can see. Then you're going to open it like that. Kind of invert this in slightly, ever so slightly, and then you're going to just fold it over, bring it across, and across, just like that. And then you're going to pinch it right at the edge right here, and then fold it over, just like that. Okay, finish the rest. Okay, so I'm finishing the last one. Now, after this one, we're going to put it on the baking sheet, and we're going to refrigerate it for 20 minutes, about 20 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the oven, just like that. Look, they already look so gorgeous, don't they? Look at this. Oh yeah. All right, so go ahead and place them here. Just like so. Back in 20 minutes. Okay, so the braids have been in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. So now we're gonna egg wash them and then put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. You wanna make sure when you put the egg wash on them, make sure you cover all areas. The egg wash is going to give it a beautiful golden color. Just like so. Okay. So now I have them all egg washed. So what I want to do now, I'm going to just garnish it with some whole pecans, and I'm just going to place it right in the center. Just press down, just slightly press down, just like so. I like doing this because besides the obvious that there is chocolate in this pastry, the pecans will actually also indicate to whoever's the person who's eating them that there's nuts, and of course it just looks pretty. Okay, so let's place this in the oven. All right, so they've been out of the oven, and while they're still warm, I'm gonna go ahead and put the simple syrup over them. You wanna do that because the pastry itself, it's not sweet. And once you brush it with the syrup, it'll absorb those sweet juices and just make it delicious. Make sure to cover it all. Don't let any syrup go to waste. Okay, so now you want to let it rest for at least 30 to an hour before you can eat them. That way because right now they're a little soggy, and you want to just let them get a little hard, and it'll be delicious. All right, so they've been cooling down for an hour, and I can't wait to try one. Let's try this one. Look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's see. Okay. I taste the chocolate, the crunchy pecans, and that glaze. Oh, this is really good. But the best part that it's just so easy to make. As always, friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and please subscribe. Welcome the comments. If there's anything you would like to see me make, please put me a note down below. But most importantly, don't forget to treat yourself to a little goodness.